Welcome, dear students. Hope all are safe at home. In the last class, we studied about the different types of clothes related to each season and how these clothes are made. Am I right? Let's recollect the main points. In winter season, we use woolen clothes. In summer season, we use cotton clothes. In parties such as birthday, marriage, etc., we use silk clothes. Leather and canvas clothes are used in rainy season. Woolen threads are made from sheep's fur. Cotton clothes are obtained from the threads taken from cotton plant. Leather clothes are made with the skin of animals. Silk clothes are obtained from the threads taken from silkworms. Today, we have to discuss about how these clothes are washed. You all know that for washing clothes, we should use soap or washing powder or washing liquid. After washing, we dry that clothes in the sunlight. You dry the dark color clothes in the shade. If we dry the dark color clothes in the sun, they lose their color. This is about cotton clothes and artificial clothes. Woolen clothes are to be washed with petrol. Washing clothes with petrol is called dry cleaning. What is dry cleaning? Washing clothes with petrol is called dry cleaning. Next, we have to learn about how silk clothes are washed. Silk cloth should be washed with soap nut water and also dry them in the shade. What is soap nut? It is a fruit from a tree. This fruit is soluble as soap in water. Some insects spoil our clothes. So, we should use naphthalene balls to protect clothes from such type of insects. If we wear washed clothes, we will be healthy and look beautiful. So, students, you should always use neat and clean dress. Today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.